everyone, I'm Alka and you are watching Success Stories presented by Trident Communications. Our guest for today is Pahlaj Nihalani. He was the former chairperson of Central Board of Film Certifications CBFC under the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India. He has also been a producer and also the president of Association of Producers of Pictures and TV Programs for 29 years. To know more about his journey, let's welcome Mr. Pahlaj to our show. So, hello, sir. Thank you so much for joining us today and giving us your valuable time for this episode of Success Stories. And how are you?
I'm good. It's a pleasure that I'm just going to discuss with you and for the viewers who will listen to me as a Palaj learning, as a producer, as a director, as a filmmaker, and whatnot.
So, sir, now that you're here, please tell us something about yourself and how did this journey begin?
I think I was a movie buff, and I started my like a common man, how I was as a kid, I was watching movies and my parents didn't like it. So my father was just, he was out when my school is over, he was outside of the school and he was pushing me to take along with him. So I should not be go here and there. So that's a way, but he couldn't stop in 1960. I think I think destiny has allowed me to learn the business, and because of the movies I was watching, and after that, I think he has expired due to cancer, and just after that also I have carry on with the age of 10. I just started my business of what my father was doing. He was a young businessman, so I have took over yarn business along with the thing, but I have not left the watching movies and other thing. But in side by side with the yarn business, I have started to just for in a small token way that film distribution also. I was started, and finally in 1964 I wanted one picture, Phool Aur Patthar, but my joint family, they didn't allow me to invest so much money in Phool Aur Patthar. Then he said, we cannot afford to do this. Suppose this picture fails, then how you are going to survive? Then after successful of Phool Aur Patthar, so I said my judgment was not wrong. And along with that, I carry on the business myself. And I have been separated from my joint family to, I started my career with the movies and along with the side by side in other business of polythene also. That time, this polythene was a new product in those days, 64. So I have started that also. So side by side, I have done so many business, but I have not left out the uh, film business. So that's my beginning, and I think beginning always with the feel that you are capable to do such thing. But I think I'm not a, I was not a capable, but the destiny wanted me to come in this. So I think destiny has pushed me to while watching. So he wanted me to go in the film business. So I've started the film business is my main business, and still I'm doing from 5 decades. I'm doing the same business.
So, sir, that has been a very long journey of 5 decades in the industry and still standing as a successful example in front of us. Will you please tell us that how was your experience as the CBFC chief?
Oh,
अ,
I think
प्रहलाद जी,
जी
हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स कर सकते हैं।
ओके ठीक है
ठीक।
हम्म,
Should I go again with the
या
question?
नो हाँ तो आई थिंक पहली बात तो ये है कि मैं फिल्म प्रोड्यूसर हूँ, डायरेक्टर हूँ, और मेरा एक्सपीरियंस जो है ना हर फील्ड में, चाहे एज अ मेकर, I was handling myself, even CBSE certification in those days. When I was buying for picture movies for distribution, so I was just attending the screening also. तो वो experience मुझ में था, knowledge था, and I think उसने मुझे push किया, and side by side I was doing the what you call politician. I was behind the scene in politics also, so I got the completely advantage to see the CBFC. But one time I refused because it's a very thankless job. When Ravi Shankar Prasad was a INB minister, because I was a party man in those days, I am working for the party along with Mr. Shatrughan Sinha. So they offered me to do this because I was president also for the film industry for 29 years. So whoever in the difficulty for the census certification and other thing, I was helping them to go along with them and do the best whatever in my capacity and my power. I was just in between, just as a mediator. I was doing the completely getting them a certificate and other thing. तो मुझे लगा कि जब ये काम ऐसा है, करो तो भी मुसीबत है, ना करो तो भी मुसीबत है. So on the first hand, I refused to CBFC being a this thing certification chairperson. So उनके बाद जो है in 2015, all of a sudden without asking me, without confirmation or any biodata, I sent nothing. मतलब मुझे जो है बनाया गया और मैं बन गया by default. तो मैं यही कहूँगा कि एक जो मेरा फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन था कि इज़ अ थैंकलेस जॉब, और उसमें प्रूव हुआ कि जब 2015 से जितना भी अच्छा करो और जितनी भी लगन के साथ करो, बिकॉज आई हैव गिवन देम फुल टाइम. बिकॉज उससे पहले जितने भी चेयरमैन थे, कोई भी वहाँ पे बैठते नहीं थे. वीकली 15 दिन में जब गए, एक आधा दिन गए तो गए, लेकिन मैंने फुल टाइम अपना जॉब, अपनी ड्यूटी समझ के वो उस पर दिया. बट आई वॉज फेल इन दैट बिकॉज फ्यू पीपल जिनका इंटरेस्ट खुद था कि चेयरमैन बने या वहाँ पे आए, पावर आए, या तो जिन्होंने जो मैंने गाइडलाइन इशू की कि भैया जो भी ऑब्सनिटी, वल्गरिटी एंड अदर थिंग वो नहीं चलेगी, तो जो जिनका इंटरेस्ट था, जिन्होंने शुरू कर दी थी फिल्म में, तो उन लोगों ने ऑब्जेक्शन उठाया. जबकि मैं इंडस्ट्री में आई वॉज द अलोन पर्सन जिसने मतलब बहुत सारी जो है इंडस्ट्री के लिए सारे वेन्यूज़ खोल दिए, चाहे वो सेटेलाइट हो, चाहे मल्टीप्लेक्स सिनेमा हो गवर्नमेंट से, या इंडस्ट्री स्टेटस हो, या बैंक फाइनेंस हो. तो ये सारी सिंगल हैंडेड जो है गवर्नमेंट से सारी चीज़ें, फैसिलिटीज़ जो है मैंने लेके आ गए. एंड एवरीवन नोज कि ये मैंने किया, और पूरी तरह से जो है अपना मैं इंडस्ट्री की मतलब पूरी तरह से काम करता हूँ, अच्छी तरह से काम करता हूँ. बट उनको क्योंकि सबका इन्वेस्टमेंट लगा हुआ था और सब लोगों ने मतलब बहुत सारी फिल्में बन रही थी, क्योंकि चेक करने वाला कोई था नहीं. तो जब मैं आ गया तो दे वांटेड मी टू बी दिस थिंग कि यहाँ से निकल जाऊँ मैं, और मतलब उन लोगों को तो एक कैंपेनिंग शुरू किया. एंड after 2.5 years they were successful. But 2.5 years whatever in my capacity to change, reform the CBFC. So जो problems थे, corruption थी, ऑनलाइन सर्टिफिकेशन ले आया, ब्रोकरेज ब्रोकर जो इन बिटवीन होते थे उनको मैंने हटा दिया, ऑफिस अच्छी ले आया. मीन्स जितनी बेस्ट जो है ट्रांसपेरेंसी लाया, पिक्चर डिलेज होती थी उसको लेके आया, स्ट्रीमलाइन किया ताकि पिक्चर को सर्टिफिकेट जब मिले. बट गवर्नमेंट को आज की सिचुएशन देख के रिकमेंडेशंस दिए मैंने कि किस तरह से जो रेटिंग सिस्टम, लाइक हाउ इट इज़ इन यूके और यूएसए और इन अदर कंट्रीज, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, न्यूजीलैंड, जो है इसकी मोर रेटिंग लाइए, ताकि जो ना देयर शुड बी अ certain people, they should know what is the reason for the certain certificate. Way in UK they are writing why they have given 12, why they have given uh, 15, why they have given 18. So there should be some reason. If you are watching something, you should know what is the content in that. But वो चीज़ें जो है मिनिस्ट्री ने नहीं मानी, और कमेटी जो है फॉर्म की, वो भी जो उन्होंने एक रिकमेंडेशन दी है, उनसे पहले मैंने रिकमेंडेशन दिए थे। श्याम बेनीगल की जो कमेटी बनी, उससे पहले उससे बेटर सुझाव जो है मैंने दिए थे, ताकि जो ये प्रॉब्लम्स है इंडस्ट्री की, जो बीइंग एक्सपीरियंस जो प्रोड्यूसर होते हुए भी जो मुझे लगती थी, तो वो मैंने मतलब सुझाव दिए। बट नोबडी हैज अंडरस्टूड दैट कि जितनी भी आज तक जब से 1952 के रूल्स जो है जो लगे हुए या कॉपीराइट है, इसका फिल्म सिनेमाग्राफिक एक्ट है, उसी को कंटिन्यू करके 95 में अमेंडमेंट हुआ था। उसके बाद भी जो है आज 25 साल हो गए, कोई अमेंडमेंट्स नहीं आई, वही गाइडलाइन चल रही है। जबकि 1952 का सिनेमाग्राफी एक्ट था, वो फिल्म्स के ऊपर था। आज आज की टेक्नोलॉजी में डिजिटल हो गए सब, बट डिजिटल सर्टिफिकेशन होती नहीं है। लाइसेंस पुलिस का जो है डिजिटल सिनेमा पे नहीं है, बट इट्स द रूल अप्लाई टू सिनेमा इज 1952 के रूल्स चल रहे हैं। तो गवर्नमेंट इज एक्चुअली, आई मस्ट से, they are sleeping, they are not giving the attention, they want the favor from the industry all the time, but they are now pressurizing the other thing in other way, but they are not looking into the matter, because today technology has given the platform for OTT platform and YouTube and social media, Facebook. You find all kind of content, but if you are to pay the money and watch the picture in cinema, you are watching the censor version. So why the people will go in the cinema when the same content they are getting as a full without censor in the OTT platform? So I think government has to change the rule, or they should abolish the certification from the CBFC. They should not, otherwise they should also come under the one umbrella to certify the thing. When you are satellite and the OTT platform, is the name has changed, but you are watching in the television. If you are watching on a television, so you require the certificate for the even 5 seconds. If you are showing something, you require the certificate. If you are watching a movie in a satellite channel, through satellite, then also you require this thing. And OTT platform, you don't require the thing. So you are giving the material to the audience in the family, whether it's a watchable or not. There is no description is written in that कि इस पिक्चर में मतलब obscenity है, vulgarity है, abuse language है, क्या है? Why people will see the picture with the family? So many times they switch off the thing. Now things are, people are, what I was objecting it, or what I am warning to the industry, to be careful about the thing what you are making it. So you should not take the trouble in the certification. So they have not misunderstood and misquoted me. और आज जो है पब्लिक जो है OTT प्लेटफॉर्म में जा रहे हैं और उस तरह से केसेस कर रहे हैं, एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट आल्सो हैज ऑब्जर्व दैट कि किस तरह से आना चाहिए, एंड दे हैव रिटन टू द ministry and censor CBFC also. So why you are not censoring that? So until unless rules changes, guideline comes, then only I think people have to suffer, and people will take the objection on that, how it will go and when it's going to be changed, or it's going to be abolished from certification for the movies also from the CBFC. Either one side take the certificate for all the platform in the same time, or you forget everything, you have to remove it.
So, sir, you shared your experience as the chief of CBFC. Can you please also share your challenges that you faced as a producer director?
I think you have to go with according to the time. See, I think I have seen 50 years, more than 50 years, I have seen this thing. Everything is changing every time, every decade there is a change. But today, in today's time, because of the technology, previously Hollywood movie was coming after, I think, 2 years, 3 years, 1 year, in 70 up to it up to 90, 2000. Now on the same day you can watch. Piracy also was coming in 2000. It was not there in 90s in English for the especially Hollywood movies. But now everything, all languages are available on the one platform. So I think you are in a competition. You have to fight with the, not for the other things going on, what the things are going on in the society, what thing is going on, the what the public is liking it, what the nature. Because today, even on the villages, if you see that there was a difference, that village girl or village people were in a different mood today, because of the shopping centers, mall and other thing, is like a become a Europe, it's like a USA. So every person, you cannot make the difference ki kaun kya hai, because everyone is wearing the jeans, everybody is wearing the skirt, everybody is on the suit, everybody is on the jacket. So different of the community and the religious you cannot define. So I think जो चीज़ें चेंज आ रही है, तो सिनेमा में भी उस तरह से जैसे टाइम बदलते रहता है, उस हिसाब से जो ना सिनेमा बदलती रहती है। जो पहले 1960 17 80s में रियलिस्टिक्स मूवी चलती थी, लाइक ऋषिदा की या बासु चटर्जी की या बिमल रॉय की, जिस तरह से देवर ट्रीटिंग अ फिल्म एज अ ट्रीटमेंट, वो आज जो सेम वे एज बिकम अ liking of the people. They want to see the villages, they want to see the rural, what the in rural, what is going on, what the today, like article 15, or you can see means all kind of movie, whatever things are there, people are liking it on the biopic and other thing, because people wanted to get the exposure on that. So cinema badalti rehti hai, is only has not changed drastically. People are not liking it or not appreciating what the music was there before. Today that kind of music is not coming at all. Thing and technology is changed, visuals are come good, VFX is helping the films to make in a better way, like a competition, they can compete in competition, they can show everything whatever they want. Because today even Hollywood work of VFX is Indian market is doing it, all the big studios are doing it. So the things are very close with each other. तो मुझे लगता है कि ये challenges जो है ना, competition है, is a content wise. I think technology में जो हम पहले बहुत पीछे थे Hollywood से, now slowly gradually we are coming very near to Hollywood, because we are doing their work also here. So because they feel India is a reasonable market because of the comparison of the dollar and rupees, so they are assigning the work to in India. तो मुझे लगता है इसलिए हम जो है वो काम कर पा रहे हैं जो पहले नहीं कर पा रहे थे, because their people are on their head. So वो competition जो है ना easy हो गया, but only is lacking is the subjects. We are not, very rare ratio of movies successful is there, so you have to be very very competitive, and selection of the subject is very important. So I think that's one area in the content. You have to look into the thing, how the people will like it, how the family will like it, how the masses will like it. That's the main issue, because now because of the multiplexes, uh, masses are away from this and regional industry has taken over, because क्योंकि इंटरनेशनली मार्केट के हिसाब से या मल्टीप्लेक्सेस की ऑडियंस जो है वो completely different है, masses जो है वो completely different है. They were preferring the single cinema, they were not going in this thing. To handle two things are very 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 difficult today, because if you are making for the masses, you then you require a big star cast, like who are the sellable, because in action movies, or if you want to create the masses, then Salman Khan and Tiger Shroff and Ajay Devgan kind of actors are there. If you go lower than that, so you are only you are losing the completely market of the multiplexes. So there is a completely main issue because Star has taken over the completely on their hands. So there is choice of actors, not choice of the producers, choice of not on the director, because it's a very big. Originally, master ringmaster was a producer, and second command was the director. Our first ringmaster was the director, second producer. So they were doing the command together, whatever they want to show and what the work they want to take it, what the subject has to select. But today is completely choice of the, if I have to take Salman or I have to take a great actor, so they will suggest you whom you have to work director. It's like a which heroine they want to work with. So it's a completely desire of the actors, not of the director and producer. Producer will become as a courier service. Just you be a small cake of piece, like a two monkeys and the one cat. Take the everything and go away. So this kind of the business has been is you can say today is going on.
All right. So, sir, now that you have shared the challenges that you faced, so whenever we face any challenge in our life, we look for people who can support us. So, who has been your biggest support and your inspiration throughout this journey?
I think I believe myself. I feel whatever you can do, whatever your heart says, whatever your mind says, you have to focus on that. If you are focused on that, you can at least goal, whatever your goal is there, you have to reach there. And I am always trying that whatever it comes in my mind, I try to do it. I don't feel that it's a negative. I always see is a positive thing because no one can help anyone because is a if you count the film industry is all people are selfish commercial today. There was a emotion when we have started the business, but today emotions name of emotion is gone completely. There even small sport boy was feeling that is my movie. Today you have to pay and forget everything whatever they want to do it. They will not. If the picture fails, then also they are increasing their price. If they win, so four-time price will be increased. So that's a completely, you have to believe yourself, you have to believe your actors, whether you are taking new or not, new or old or whatever it is. But I believe in content and always I try to take a new people. Now also I'm making movie with the new star cast, with completely and supporting with all good actors which give the support to their newcomers, to at least they should not feel that audience should feel that there is a something is a good packing is there. So I believe in that way.
So, sir, in the current situation that the Bollywood industry is facing, like it's all on digital platforms, mostly all the movies and all the web series are online. So, do you think that due to this, the future of Bollywood and the Indian cinema is in dark?
So I don't think, always I think people say, and who will suffer the first side, I think they will feel that some situation is not good. But I think big screen and cinema is a different thing. They are always from many years. We are different technology. We are facing the problem. Initially, we have faced the problem of video when video was there. Then after that, piracy has taken over. Then television has taken over. So always जो ना कोई प्रॉब्लम्स आती रहती है और उस प्रॉब्लम से जो ना इंडस्ट्री थोड़ा शेक होती है उसके बाद निकल जाती है. अब जो जितनी भी पिक्चरें ओटीटी पे रिलीज हुई अगर सिनेमा में होती तो वो उससे ज़्यादा जो ना क्राइसिस जो है मतलब सिनेमा फेस करती क्योंकि बॉक्स ऑफिस में वो पिक्चरें जो है चलती नहीं. राइट फ्रॉम जब से करंट अपना ये कोविड-19 आया है और जितनी पिक्चरें प्रीमियर हुई हैं ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म पे, चाहे कोई भी प्लेटफॉर्म हो, वेब सीरीज फिर भी कामयाब हुई है लेकिन एक भी फिल्म जो है कामयाब नहीं हुई है. Just they are showing wrong figures and other thing that so many people have watched the thing, but you know how many uh, membership are, they are big platforms, they are having the this thing. They are just showing the free of charge also to attract the people to be members. But when you are purchasing the movie in 100 crores and more than that, and you are showing the picture to the free of charge, that means you are attracting Dunia Karo Muthi Mein, like a Dhirubhai Ambani's slogan. Then you have to pay the charge. Once your things has been, data has come to you, then you can charge anything and appropriate amount. So people are used to it, they will pay it. So this is a business policy, they are doing it. But the all the picture has 95% movie has been flop, miserably flop. If you see Sarak, if you see Amitabh and Ayushman Khurrana's movie, or whether you see Coolie, everything has been gone from the hand. अगर सिनेमा में होती तो शायद जो है डिजास्टर्स होती, लेकिन जो है OTT की वजह से they have recovered the amount, they have got the profit and money is in the rolling. So I think is a blessing in disguise. Industry has been saved. अगर OTT platform नहीं होता तो शायद जो है सबके पैसे ब्लॉक होते. आज अब तक कोविड-19 की रिस्ट्रिक्शन है, अब लंदन में भी शुरू हो गई, दूसरी जगह पे भी हो गई, फ्लाइट फिर से कैंसिल हो गई. बट नाउ थिंग्स आर इन मूव. मुंबई बोलते हैं ना लाइफलाइन है, और मुंबई में जो है सारे जो है दे आर स्टार्टेड नाउ. अब जो है जो पहले डर था वो डर लोगों का खत्म हो गया. बट जिस दिन लाइफलाइन जो है ट्रेन चालू हो जाएगी, आई थिंक सारे जो है ना लोकल ट्रेन जो है अभी शुरू नहीं हुई है, जिस दिन हो गई तो चालू हो जाएगी, then 100% सिनेमा भी ओपन हो जाएंगे. बिकॉज ऑफ द 50% सिनेमा जो ओपन नहीं है, तो अपना सिटिंग कैपेसिटी जो है अलाउड है. सो नोबडी इज इंटरेस्टेड इन दैट कि इतने रिस्ट्रिक्शन के बाद में जो है, बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट हैज नॉट given any relief to the cinema owners or cinema people. You have to pay the salary, you have to pay the same way electricity bill, you have to pay the property tax, you have to pay all kind of things, which is, if you are running the business, then also is the same expenditure. If you are not running the business, is shutter is on shut, then also you have to pay the thing. Government should be feel open. How the European countries and small countries also, they are giving the relief to the people. But I think we are just, I think we are become a corrupt economy. I think we've become a corrupt. So government is not helping. They want the tax in time, but they don't want to help anyone. So that's the main issue. Issue is facing the, at least in the cinema owner and the other people. अगर OTT नहीं होती तो आज जो है ना बहुत सारे सुसाइड जो है ना, एक सुशांत का हुआ, मुझे लगता है कि सारे प्रोड्यूसर और डायरेक्टर्स के भी हो जाते, क्योंकि एग्जिबिटर्स के भी हो जाते जो सिनेमा चलाते, बिकॉज यू रिक्वायर सम टर्नओवर. बट टुडे गवर्नमेंट इज प्रेशराइजिंग टू bring their revenue, and they are pressurizing and forcing, and they are sending the notice to their this thing. So that's a complete wrong. But today cinema has to come up. लोग सिनेमा में जाएंगे क्योंकि बहुत सारी फिल्में 83 एंड सूर्यवंशी एंड अदर बहुत सारी पिक्चरें ऐसी जो बड़ी बड़ी स्टार कास्ट की बनी पड़ी हुई है, या दे हैव स्लो डाउन ताकि कंप्लीट नहीं कर रहे, ताकि जो उस हिसाब से करे. जब 100% कैपेसिटी शुरू होगी, नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया but in Europe and other country also, because big, if you are releasing in a big star with big star cast, so you have to, in overseas market also, you have required to release in a proper manner, at least on the UK, USA, Canada, and at least New Zealand, Australia, everywhere, and UAE. So this is a main key center of the things. So यहाँ पे जब तक बड़ी star cast नहीं हो, you cannot recover the amount from the cinema what you are invested. So I think cinema is not going to die, but is a temporary phase. I think we'll think if we would have got the support from the government, that was a different issue. But we are just, because we believe in ourselves, we are very focused. We are taking time to do the thing and taking the challenge of government also, that we will fight and we'll come back on the cinema hall and people will come in the cinema hall.
That's great to see such optimism, sir. So now that we know that you have also directed and produced a lot of movies, so do you find any major difference between the movies back in the 90s and the movies that are being produced right now?
See, I told you, no, previously I also told you, previously there was a realistic cinema. Guru Dutt was making all realistic movie. Raj Kapoor was making the initially, except one or two movie, Mera Naam Joker and Bobby. He has made always social issue. B.R. Chopra, he was making social issue and other thing and realistic cinema. That time has come back again, like Bell Bottom. Now Bell Bottom, they are showing bell bottom, how bell bottom was a fashion. Now that time what was going on, so it was shot in London only. So I think things are going and coming back and going back. So वो चलते रहता है, ओल्ड फैशन न्यू फैशन एंड मॉडिफाई दी, ओल्ड फैशन को न्यू कर दो, न्यू सॉन्ग्स जो है, अगर ओल्ड सॉन्ग्स जो है नहीं होते तो आज जो है रिक्रिएट कर रहे हैं सॉन्ग्स को, मीन्स दे डोंट, they believe old songs, because of that they know how popular the song was there, so they are recreating it, but they are not putting their effort to bring the same kind of tunes or same uh, melodious tunes and other things, because we are lacking that, we are feeling our time is commercial time, why we should create the thing. They are just taking it from wherever they see, because world is on many countries are there where even youngster youth kids, they are making the tune and uploading the song on the YouTube and becoming popular. So even our good music director, they are lifting from the kids songs also to recreate the thing and making with the situation, and those songs are running, but the original song what they are making, they are not running. Today Punjabi industry, uh, they are doing good, their music is playing in a like hot cake, because they are creating something good. They are using the lyrics like the internationally way the people talk, they convey. They are creating the in the song branding also. So they are making the branding also popular. They are making their lyrics also, and they are making is a love romantic song. Love is always is a people, everyone connect with the love. So I think their industry is doing very good, but we are lacking in the industry is lacking with the for the content, and they are lifting from here and there and doing their job.
Okay. Um, so, sir, now that you have spoken a lot and we have come to know a lot about your viewpoint, so whenever you spoke about stars, you mostly spoke about the male superstars that we have. So, what is your view about women, and do you feel that it's a man's world?
I think without women there's no picture. First of all, when love track is not there, or their participation is not there, so that movie cannot be in a total you call movie. Movie means you require first thing is a love story. Whether you are making an action movie or you are making a horror movie or whatever it is, there should be somewhere some part connecting with the love story. So without that, there is nothing. If you are a successful movie, whatever it has happened in life, and the songs become a hit, there's a without the love romantic song, there's nothing. But the things are there where the Rajputs are there, where the Thakurs are there, where the people common, they feel. If you project the woman like she is a he-man, so that people are not accepting in much way. Like Hollywood, you can make any kind of say movie, five girls are Charlie and other thing. So यहाँ पे वो चीजें जो है ना, मतलब एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते, बट द थिंग्स आर देयर, लिमिटेड ऑडियंस आर देयर, देयर बॉक्स ऑफिस इज लिमिटेड. अगर वो जो है हीरो करे तो वो 100 करोड़ का करे, हीरोइन करती है तो वो 20-25 करोड़ में भी पिक्चर जो है ना, जिस तरह से अभी आँख सांड की आँख आ गई, इट्स अ यूनिक पिक्चर, इज अ वेरी वेरी स्टाइलिश पिक्चर. आई थिंक समथिंग इज न्यू. So दो लड़कियों ने मतलब काम किया, they are projecting like anything larger than life, and people can think कि women can do such a beautiful things. तो हीरोइन का रोल होता है, बट आज के डेट में जो ना मोस्टली जो इफ यू आर मेकिंग अ कमर्शियल मूवी, you require a hero. If you want a prize, you require a hero, because chunk of money hero is taking it. Just you, I say no, you are small cake, you are eating it. When you, as a producer, if I make the movie with the heroines, I think I can make more money rather than in the ratio. I'm talking not this thing in the, if the ratio I'm with the hero, I'm making 10%. So maybe I produce a movie with this thing, I can earn 20%, because they are very disciplined and they are very uh, dedicated to the work. So I think there can be more challenges to the industry, but nobody is taking the risk on this thing. But because of the OTT platform, now things are changing it, that also, because they are buying the rights for the even women oriented, even new star cast. One thing is for the newcomers and for the they were not doing good artists, जो पहले अच्छे नहीं कर रहे थे, उनके लिए भी एक doors जो ना open हो गए because of the web series and other thing. So industry is flourishing with the old. They were just sitting idle from so many years, and today they are getting the work, and decent work and a good work which they have not done before also. So I think something always every person can change. डेस्नी जो है ना, उनको जो है ना बिल्कुल जो है ना प्लेटफॉर्म जो है ना जो लिखा हुआ है, स्क्रीन प्ले राइटर इज अप, he has written the good screenplay. So whenever, I think everybody will get the right chance, right time, but you have to wait and watch, and you have to keep the patience.
All right. So, sir, now that you spoke about your viewpoint about women and the way you would like to make a movie, so there's a question that if you had to make a serial and you were given full freedom about it and you could choose any issue that you wanted to make it about, so what kind of an issue would it be and why?
I think it should be a, if I'm making TV serial or anything or web series, I will definitely try to keep the reality and the whatever thing has happened on the biopic way or on the realistic story. Every person have a story. Suppose we have 130 crore population, so every person, so many stories we have. One person at least he have a 10 story in life. So I think I will touch that, and I think any good content which is touches to the heart of the people, relationship, relationship, whether it's a father and daughter, is a father or son, or husband and wife, or in between the hurdles of life. So I think that people can connect with each other, because emotions are the same whether here or any other country. So you touch the emotion of the person, what they are liking, what they are disliking. If you are success to show present the thing which many people suffer in those areas, or they are happy with those areas, I think it should be entertainment values and along with the message of the content.
Okay. Now that you have completed more than 5 decades in the industry, so there must be more projects in hand that you are planning to do in future. So can you please share something about your dreams and your upcoming projects?
See, now, right now, in this end of the month, I'm starting one love story. Anari is back. So I'm going to start in the end of the, I think, 31st of Jan, till the picture complete. Till I think I have to come to picturize the 2 songs in London also, because my heroine come from UK, London. So I had to show that portion also. And then after that, back to back, I'm making, starting the Ayodhya Ki Katha based on Ramayana. It's like a Sampurna Ramayana, but the screenplay will be changed. on the keeping of the today's scenario of Ram Mandir of Ayodhya, from Ayodhya celebration of Diwali to how it goes in the past, how the Diwali has started to from the first day when Rama has backed from battle of Ravana, how he has come and people have felt that our prince has come, our Rama has come. So they are started celebrating the thing and they are getting ready to celebrate his come back to Ayodhya. So that story will be a different screenplay to project, and I am making Ayodhya ki Katha in
All
3D.
right. Okay.
So that's a back
So,
to back.
sir, we wish you all the best for that, and we just hope that all our viewers will be very interested to watch that as well.
Thank you very much, and it's really is an honor and a pleasure that I'm talking to you and your audience and your people. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome, sir. And we have a few more questions left actually. So that you shared so much about your experience. So there must be many incidents that you have faced, and a few of them might have made their place into the list of unforgettable events. So would you like to share a few unforgettable moments with our audience?
See, I feel I don't blame anyone. I think your karma and your destiny and your faith will definitely come to you. If I have done something wrong in any time, definitely I had to face those moments. So I don't blame anything. Hit and flop movies also, I don't blame anyone because that is your karma. Whenever it is written on your name, so you have to blame yourself that you must have done something wrong because of that things have not happened in this thing. So I believe myself. When I'm believing myself, how can I feel that what happened with me and who has made me such in a position? So I think people should understand that things are in your hand. If you are doing right thing, then you are doing it. If you are something wrong has happened, that means it is from your hand. So I believe in that way. My positive thinking will make me something where I am, and whatever I'm saying is from the heart and is my experience, and I believe in that.
That's right, sir. So would you like to share your view about today's youth?
आई थिंक आज का यूथ जो है इंडिया में एटलीस्ट जो है 60% जो है यूथ है, उनकी ज़िंदगी जो है जिस तरह से आज चल रही है आफ्टर कोविड-19 के बाद जो चली हुई है, बेचारे बहुत से जॉबलेस हो गए हैं और बहुत से चीज़ें कठिनाई हो रही है. आई थिंक प्लास्टिक मनी इज़ सर्कुलेटेड एंड एग्जॉस्टेड एंड उनकी सैलरीज और ये वो जो कम हो गई है. सो डोंट बी अपसेट अबाउट एवरीथिंग. जो भी है टाइम आएगा और आप लोग जो वापस ट्रैक में आ जाएगा. तो मायूस मत हो जाइए, अपने ज़िंदगी से मत खेलिए. जो जोश है आप में, आप ही है जो जोश है. जो भी आप एंटरटेनमेंट से लेकर आपके जो घर के हैंडल करने तक, यू प्लीज बेयर योरसेल्फ एंड बिलीव दैट समथिंग इज गोइंग टू हैपन फॉर द बेस्ट. जो खराब होता है उसके बाद अच्छा आता है. रात जाती है तो सुबह आएगा. तो जो है बिलीव इन दैट वे कि आज हम अंधेरी रात में कोविड-19 में गुजारी है, बट कल का हमारा भविष्य जो है बहुत अच्छा होगा. और मायूस ना हो और अच्छा काम करें और बिलीव करें अपने पास. जो इतनी हम लोग ने हर्डल्स देखी हैं, गवर्नमेंट का सपोर्ट पब्लिक पे नहीं रहा, यूथ पे नहीं रहा, किसानों पे नहीं रहा. तो आई थिंक जहाँ भी होगा अच्छा होगा. सिर्फ हमें अपने आप को देख के आगे बढ़ना है. यही मेरी मनोकामना है. यही सब यूथ के लिए शुभकामनाएं है.
Okay, sir. So, as the name of the show is Success Stories, as a last question, we would like to ask you that if you had to define success, how would you define it?
आई थिंक वर्क वेरी हार्ड एंड बिलीव योरसेल्फ और अच्छा काम करने की कोशिश कीजिए और नेगेटिव होना बिल्कुल बंद कर दीजिए. इफ यू आर पॉजिटिव your goal are there, you are going to be successful anytime, any. I think time will say कि you are successful.
Thank you, sir, for such a wonderful definition for success. And at last, we would like you to please give a message to all the viewers that are watching the episode.
हाँ, I think सबको मैं यही कहूँगा कि ये एपिसोड जो है इसमें देखें, ये मेरे जैसे ऑर्डिनरी आदमी की जो है लाइफ की जो है स्टोरी है, और ऐसे इस चैनल पे आपको बहुत सक्सेसफुल स्टोरीज मिलेंगी जो लोग कामयाब हुए हैं अपने फील्ड में, अपने भरोसे पे, अपने मेहनत के भरोसे में. सो प्लीज वॉच दिस एंड आई फील you will get some encouragement to watch this program and successful story of the many people.
Thank you so much, sir, for that wonderful message. And thank you so much for encouraging all the people to watch the Success Stories show. And we are really thankful to you for taking out your valuable time and being here with us for this episode.
It's my pleasure. It's my honor. Thank you so much.
And thank you so much, guys, for joining us today. So stay tuned for more such videos and more such shows and stories every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So till then, stay safe. Bye bye.